Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you looking for a reliable way to extend your Wi-Fi network? In this video, I'll explain how to manually configure the Ruijie Reyee 300M Wi-Fi extender from start to finish, perfect for users who want full control over their Wi-Fi setup. If your Wi-Fi doesn't reach every corner of your home, this video is for you. Basically, the Ruijie Reyee 300M Wi-Fi extender is a compact wireless repeater designed to boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the Ruijie Reyee 300M Wi-Fi extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. Everything you need is included to help you set it up and extend your Wi-Fi signal quickly and easily. Plug the Ruijie Reyee 300M extender into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Turn on the power. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes steady, not blinking. This means the extender is ready for configuration. Open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile phone, laptop, or PC. Look for a Wi-Fi network named something like Reyee_extender. Tap or click to connect. No password is usually required at this stage. You are now directly connected to the extender. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. In the address bar, type 192.168.110.1. Press Enter. The Ruijie Reyee setup page will open automatically. If it doesn't open, make sure mobile data is turned off and you are still connected to the extender Wi-Fi. On the welcome screen, tap Start Setup or Repeater Mode. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Wait a few seconds until the list appears. From the scan list, select your home Wi-Fi name, SSID. Carefully enter your main Wi-Fi password. Double-check the password. Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. Click Connect/Apply/Next. The extender will now link to your router. The extender will save settings and reboot automatically. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, do not unplug the extender. When the LED becomes stable again, setup is successful. Unplug the extender from the router area. Plug it midway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi zone. Manual setup completed successfully. Your Ruijie Reyee 300M Wi-Fi extender is now extending your network coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.